Backlit Hop-Up creates a dynamic display with vibrant LED lights that are long-lasting and are simple to attach. Start by expanding the frame to its full height, snapping the purple locking arms into place. Once stable, begin connecting the lighting strips to the cross-sections. Make sure the orientation of the male and female connectors allows for linking them together. And finish by connecting the long extension cord to the female end of the top light strips in series, running it down the side of the display. Attach the top row of lights to the bottom row of lights. Connect the lights to the power supplies, top row first, followed by bottom. Once the lights are all connected, apply the graphic to the display, stretching it to wrap around the end caps and Velcro it closed. Finish by plugging into power and illuminate.